Kind of a bit scary here, man. Yep, it's a nice view out here. So that's the peninsula. But because it's high tide now, we can't walk over. We are now at Ōnawe Pā. It's a cemetery of immense cultural and historic significance to Ngāi Tahu. It was returned to iwi ownership by provision of the Ngāi Tahu Claim Settlement Act in 1998. Today we are going for the settlement walk, and when I was here in the afternoon, the tide was high, so now since the tide is low, we're gonna walk across it. Let's check it out. So this afternoon, I was right on top there, overlooking at this side, and was unable to walk across. Now that the tide is low, we are able to walk across now.